internet land. This is your girl, Annetta Powell, your professional success coach of network marketing and internet marketing. And you know, I really wanted to give you all a tip for you all to really understand if you have a business, rather a network marketing business, and you failing, you got to ask yourself a question: how many hours am I putting into my business? Okay, in order for you to be successful, you have to work your business like a job. Okay, so if you had a job and you was working from 8 to 5, you got to get up and work your network marketing business from 8 to 5 like your life depend on it. How do you have, what type of activities? Okay, well, you can post on Facebook, not pitching your business, things that's going to bring value to people's life so that you can attract people to you. You can go out and drop $100 drop cards, okay, for 2 hours. You need to have time to follow up with people. That's the key. When people say the money is in the follow-up, it definitely is in the follow-up. You have to call people and make that connection with people, okay? Don't get a lead and not follow up. If you have a phone number on that lead, you call that individual back. You thank them for whatever, you know, ad that you was running or whatever advertisement, whether you was giving away anything, giving away like an article, or they looked at your article, or they signed up on one of your affiliate links. You call that lead back. That's the key to building a relationship with people, okay? People will tell you that whoever contacted me, I called them back, made a connection. Some people, you know, I work with, some people I didn't, but you know what, so what? That's on them. Because at the end of the day, if you connect with me and you do what I tell you to do, I guarantee you, you will be a success. But you got to do it. You got to take action. You know, everybody, you complaining about you not making no money, but what are you really doing? Playing Farmville on Facebook, just posting pictures, being messy, you know, sending negative thoughts or arguing with people on Facebook. That's not making money, okay? You have to do activities that's going to generate money in your pocket. All right. So that's the bottom line. So write down every day for me, what are you doing between the hours that you decide to work on your network marketing business? All right. And then you make a list of the things that were productive and things that were not productive, and remove the not productive things off your list, because you cannot make no money. So first thing is first, you got to set up a schedule as to when you're going to work your network marketing business, okay? And that's the bottom line. And I can guarantee, if you put in hard work, you will see a check. If you don't put in hard work, guess what? You won't see a check, all right? So you got to get out, connect with people, network with people, and generate a marketing like campaign of 10 different things that you do to market your business, because you got to have, you know, different ways to market your business. You can't just be out talking to people, all right? Yeah, you know, that's one way, but don't be walking up to people, because that's stalking. All that old 3-foot rule, talk to everybody you know, that's stalking people. Quit stalking people, all right? If you don't know how to approach people, get with a mentor that can show you how the correct way in approaching people. Me, when I go out, I may talk to people, you know, get to see what they doing, but I don't say, okay, today, this morning at 8 a.m., I'm going to go out and talk to 100 people. No. I don't have time for that. Okay, I have a schedule as to what are my 8 hours that I'm going to do, you know, a day with my network marketing business. And you all know 7 of those hours are actually internet marketing. I work my online business, or rather my network marketing business, my primary business, on the internet. And I'm telling you, I've signed so many people up. So if you just stay focused, get your campaign together, set some hours for you to work your network marketing business, people, I'm telling you, the sky is the limit, and you will get to that next level. So with all that said, that was on my mind today, because so many people complaining about not making any money, but they not doing nothing. You think people gonna give you money for free? This is America. You gotta work, okay? So with all that said, have a great day and bye.